Probably the most Canadian supercar ever.
It might you can't.
Yeah, I
You guys
know.
ready for the startup?
I know, that's the...
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crushing Gears. I'm your host, Cody. If you don't know me, if you're new to the channel, make sure to crush that subscribe button down in your bottom corner. And, well, if you're not new to the channel, welcome back. It's nice to see you guys again. Hopefully you guys are doing great and you're enjoying your day. We have a meet to go to. We are getting in the elevator. Yes, I live in a condo. There's pros and cons, just like everything else. We're about to go. There is a last minute meetup for tonight for a group I'm a part of. We're gonna go get the Huracan and go there, and hopefully it's a good turnout. I guess if you guys see this video, it was. So I'll meet you there. So we got the bag for the equipment. Let's start this bad boy up. Okay. Fighter switch up. Press the button and listen to that roar. Woo! Always exciting. Always exciting. Look how many kilometers are we at? 18,000. And then hopefully, like I said, hopefully it's a good turnout. And you guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up so far if you've liked this video. If not, wait till you see all the cars and then give me a thumbs up. But make sure you crush that subscribe button. So we're about to turn onto the highway. Whew. You guys hear those crackles, man? That's an absolutely hands down best thing about the Lamborghinis. It is the crackles. Something they do with the gas bubbles and the exhaust. It's fucking crazy. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I've ever filmed in my glasses, but I do wear glasses. Well, I don't, but I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to wear glasses, especially driving at night. Most of the times I don't because of the pain in the ass. But yeah, I do wear glasses. Who knew? Changed my mind. Yeah.
What's up?
Hey guys. So we're here at the meet, and we got quite a bit of a turnout. Not that small, so you guys will end up seeing this video. If you haven't noticed, we got the Vancouver shirt. I thought it was pretty funny. If you guys haven't seen the Vancouver video, I'll drop a link in the description below. And let's go have a look at these cars, because these cars are absolutely amazing. Like, look at this i8. It's so wow. And vlog life.
Become a YouTuber.
I am. I am. It doesn't work for me though.
Does it work for you?
No. I don't do it.
Buddy that did YouTube.
Hey guys, I'm talking to a camera and all these people are looking at me like I'm an idiot.
You are. You are. Like, simple as that, right?
Right.
Kidding.
But
It is what it is.
alright, I gotta get some content here.
Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
This is good. This is good. Yeah, it's just center stretch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Yeah.
How's it? Probably the most Canadian supercar ever.
It make you can't.
Yeah, I
You guys
know.
ready for the startup?
I know, that's the thing. Right?
Like, who's doing that? From Auckland, like,
What is he? 580 staring down the street. And the two brothers are going. Or one of them. Half. If you guys enjoyed that video, give me a thumbs up, crush that subscribe button, and I'll see you next video. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up. Free giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. Check out the merch for 10% off, link in the description below.